Hello, I'm Dr. Levi Jurich of Jurich Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, and today I want to talk a bit about dental implants. A dental implant is a more natural way to correct and provide a strong solution to the loss of permanent teeth. They work by taking advantage of the way your bones naturally heal and regenerate while adhering to a titanium screw. Implants have been used in cosmetic dentistry since the 1950s, and implant procedures are a great alternative to both dentures or dental bridges. An implant is secured directly to your jawbone, replicating the function of the natural root of the tooth, making them much more comfortable and effective. Unlike other procedures that need replacements over time, implants are designed to last for a lifetime with the proper care. Some of the additional benefits of dental implants are, they look better and more natural. Since they are fixed in place, they won't affect your speech like other options might. They function as if they are your own teeth, giving you the freedom to eat the foods you love without limitations. And finally, with a reclaimed smile, your self-esteem is enhanced dramatically. The process steps are: first, the dentist conducts a thorough assessment of your teeth and oral conditions before a dental implant is carefully positioned into the jawbone. Then there is a 3 to 4 month waiting period to allow the jawbone to fuse with the titanium implant to ensure support for your new dental crown, bridge, or denture. The final step is to add your new dental crown onto the implant, which is custom shaped to fit and blend naturally with your surrounding teeth. When your implant dentistry is performed by an experienced cosmetic dentist, the end results look both beautiful and natural. If you would like to learn more about dental implants, please call Jurich Dental or visit our website at juricdental.com.